Hi everyone, in this video we will see about the current affairs of July 21. Lalji Tandon, who has recently passed away, is the governor of which state? The correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. He died at the age of 85 due to chronic liver disease. When Tandon was in hospital, UP Governor Anand Diben Patel took additional charge of Madhya Pradesh governor. The state has announced 5 days of mourning. Which of the following has been granted the contract to produce 1512 mine plow devices by Defence Ministry? The correct answer is Bharat Earth Movers Limited. The cost of the mission is Rs 557 crore. What is mine plow devices? It helps tanks to clear minefields. It can be fitted with T90 tanks. The T90 tanks clears the lane allowing other vehicles to follow. It is to be developed with at least 50% indigenous products. Which of the following is the recent naval exercise of India? The correct answer is PASAX. India and USA conducted maritime drills with USS Nimitz, which is the world's largest carrier ship. Earlier PASAX exercises were conducted between India, Japan, and French Navy. Malabar exercise is between India, Japan, and US. Australia is likely to join the exercise this year. Varuna is an annual naval exercise between India and France. Who is the new personal secretary to the President Ramnath Kovind? The correct answer is Praveen Siddharth. He completed the Indian Revenue Services in 2001. He was already servicing as officer on special duty in the President's Secretariat. Ajay Badu is the Joint Secretary to the President. Same way, K.D. Tripathi is the Secretary to the President. Vikram Singh was the earlier personal secretary to our President Ramnath Kovind. Which of the following is a partner in the Oxford vaccine? The correct answer is Serum Institute, which is located in India. It is the world's largest vaccine manufacturing company. Serum Institute plans to begin clinical trials in India, but they are waiting for the approval of Drug Abuse Controller General of India. The name of the vaccine is AZD1222. Germany's BioNTech SE and USA's Pfizer are together developing a vaccine against coronavirus. Sinovac Biotech from China is also developing a vaccine. UK-based Synergine is also developing a vaccine to fight coronavirus. Which country hosted the third G20 meet? The correct answer is Saudi Arabia. In part of India, our Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman took part in the meet. Same way from Canada, Bill Mounier took part in the meet. From USA, Stephen Turner. From Saudi Arabia, Mohammed Al Jadaan. From Brazil, Paulo Guedes. Mukhyamantri Ghar Ghar Yojana is an initiative by Delhi government to home deliver ration goods. It also launched One Nation, One Ration Card scheme on the same day. Manodarpan is an initiative by Ministry of Human Resource Development to provide psychosocial support to students. P-81 aircraft has been ordered by Defense Acquisition Council for maritime surveillance. It has been ordered from USA. It is expected to arrive by March 2021. Chelmsford Club, Delhi has been recently in news because India's first charging plaza was inaugurated by our Power Minister Dr. R.K. Singh. Hong Kong Extradition Treaty. After US, Canada, Australia, UK has suspended the treaty. If you have enjoyed my video, please like, share and subscribe.